Hey guys, what's up? My name is Big S681, and I just wanna show off this. This is Lego set number 4437, titled Police Pursuit. This is from 2012. I have completely rebuilt it. So we'll start off with the body. I didn't do too much work to the body. I added a bed cap. There's a roof rack. Changed the lights to be flat studs. The grill is a pearl silver grill. It's got round flat stud headlights now. Smoky black windows. I moved these to the back instead of being there, and I reshaped that. Put a tailgate on there. It's not bad. The body can completely come off of the vehicle. I did not intend for it to be that way, but it completely detaches. But you can get a better look at the chassis. Just take the guy out of there. You see up front, we got a winch attached to a hook. It runs through this loop here, up into the wheel well, and it connects to the winch inside the engine bay, which I also fixed up. So that's good. We got a smooth black stud in there to help give it some detailing. Then you can see the steering column. You got a shift stick. Nice wooden bed in the back. I hollowed all this out, made it flat, put a wooden bed back there, so it's good. Got the tailgate. Put the body back on. Just clips on like that. Now when I originally remodeled this, these were gray, the windows were not here. I had an antenna on the back, I had a jerry can mount, and I had a trailer hitch. Well, that was too much. The winch was also mounted to the front here. That was too much. I added too much bulk, so I slimmed it down. The front wheel wells have also been moved back a stud. That's why there's a hole here. But I used that hole to my advantage to hook up the winch from inside the engine out to the hook on the front. So that's pretty good. I completely reworked the chassis. So this thing's completely rebuilt, completely new. It's got slimmed down suspension. Basically what I did was I took the suspension off of this truck, including the ball hitch pieces that were in here. Physically took those off this truck, took the design from this truck, put it on this, made it smaller, put it on this. But just take this wheel off here. The original axle piece that I used was one of the blue one. It's the 3 wide pin. So it's got nice solid front axles there. I had the blue one, but then the wheels wouldn't turn, so I switched to tan. But then the suspension was too weak, so I had to take the Lego rubber band off here. Just use a normal rubber band and triple it. Now it's set up perfectly. I had to slim down this so it wouldn't add up too much bulk. If I took this piece off, this little piece right here, if I took this off, the suspension would just collapse on itself. So this little piece is vital to the suspension. Eventually, I'd like to get this perfect and then glue it all together so it would last a long time. License plate, I had to glue the sticker on there because it was coming off. I took it off the front bumper and I put it on the back. The sticker wasn't really sticking anymore, so I just put a small drop of super glue in there and glued it on. So yeah, this thing's been completely rebuilt. I enjoyed making this. It was a challenge to try to find all the pieces in my many bins of random stuff.